All right, y'all. So we're finally getting into it now. Get into this food. So what it looks like to me is like a Zaxby's kind of vibe from what it seems. The sauces look like they're probably like homemade or something. Well, made from scratch. Let me not say homemade. This smells like Big Mac sauce. This smells like what it is, chimichurri ranch. but let's do a taste test on the fries first. All right, not bad. They got a little seasoning to them. Definitely, even this whole getup with the bread, everything really reminds me of Zaxby's. Let's taste the saucy sauce. All right, definitely is just definitely just is like that Big Mac kind of sauce, like that ketchup and mayo kind of vibe. Thousand Islands. That is fire though. That sauce is fire. So let's try one of the tenders. Try it with the saucy sauce first. That was good. Mm, that's good. I ain't gonna lie. Chimichurri ranch. That one ain't bad either. I do like it a little bit better with the saucy sauce. But that chimichurri ranch ain't bad. All right, all right. I'm impressed. Zaxby's is my favorite place, so I'm impressed by this. We're gonna try this out now too. This is the Sammy. So yeah, I was looking. Let's get a bite of this too. See how this is going. So we got the spicy one. It's alright. I feel like with the sweet bread, they could put a little bit more kick in that sauce. It is spicy, but we need a little bit more flavor in there. It's good though. The spiciness of it is good. I can't put my finger on what they're using to make it spicy. But it's something familiar. It tastes familiar. Can't remember the name, if it was the name or not. It's not bad. I definitely prefer the tenders though. The tenders are definitely hitting better with me right now. But the Sammy ain't bad. But I'll say if you go in there, you really want to go there and get the tenders. I'm gonna wash it down a little bit with our teeth. And I actually like these a lot. That's good right there. It tastes like somebody just made a batch of some black tea with some citrus, and it tastes fresh. It tastes fresh. It tastes real, and that's why I like it. So, where would I rank this? The Sammy, for 1 through 10, I'll give it. And I mean, like, this is after it's been kind of for a little bit. Well, not crazy long, but long enough to get home. It did get a little soggy along the way. I'll give it. I'll give it a. I'll give it like a 6. Not that it's bad. Not that it's super bad. But it's just compared to a lot of other people that have chicken sandwiches. There's a lot better chicken sandwiches out there. That's the reason why I say that. But overall, this tender meal right here is up there. It's up there. I'll definitely give it probably a 9 as far as how good they tenders and everything is, tenders and fries. Now, of course, the experience is gonna be determined by the sauce you choose. But out of these two sauces that I tried, they both solid. They both solid. I feel like they earned the name Saucy. It's good. This portion isn't bad either. I believe I paid $7.99 for this, and it was a meal. And I paid like $5 for the sandwich, which isn't too great considering the sandwich isn't that big. But it's a good meal. It's a good meal, especially the $7.99. I feel like this is a big tenders, a lot of fries. Good. Now, would I put this over my pride and joy is actually the bread. The bread is better than Zaxby's. Man, I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. I feel like I know it on the inside that it's just as good. Pretty similar, honestly. Very, very similar. But my brain doesn't want to say it though. But it is pretty much just as good as Zaxby's. Maybe even a little bit cooler because of sauces. But the spicy Zaxby sauce is better than this, 100 times. But they have other sauces. That's what this place is about. This spot is about going, getting some nice tenders with some cool different sauces. So when it comes to the plot, they got it. It's good. Overall, I would say I rate the whole experience and the food and everything 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. The only thing that threw me off a little bit is just the sandwich. Could be a little bit better, but it is just a chicken tender in a bun. So I don't, you can't have your expectations too high. But am I enjoying this meal? Yeah. So thank y'all for watching. If y'all ever out and about, hopefully one day y'all could try this too. And yeah, we did something different for this video. But stay tuned. We may do more videos like this again in the future. But thank you everybody for watching. I'm gonna finish this off camera so y'all can't judge how I eat. And thank you. Bye.